Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Crybaby heart from Pop Mart. So let's get started. To draw this cute heart, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw one big circle. And then I'm going to come right across, not too wide, say about right here, and draw another circle. There. So now that my two circles in, I'm going to come inside and draw a curve right in the center for the eyes. And thicken it up. And I'm going to add 3 lashes. So right in the center, I'm going to draw 1 and then 2 more on the sides. And same thing over here. There. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to go ahead and come back to the center in between the eyes about right here and draw a little oval for a nose. So cute, right? And then now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the smile. So I'll just use this as my guide, the eye right here. I'm going to come down, let's say about right here. And same thing over here. So I'm just going to bring this across just so that I know where I'm going. And so we're in about right here. Across, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve connecting this to create our big smile. So when you're drawing big, it's just much easier to give yourself points so you can see where you're going. So now that I have that, the smile is not big enough. We need to go up a little bit higher, so I'm just going to bring it up on both sides to say about right there. Nice big smile. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big circle for a cheek. So right in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and pop in this big circle right next to the eye. Oh my goodness. Wobbly circle here. There. And then I'm going to come inside and put in 3 dots. They're supposed to be white, but I'm just going to use my Sharpie here and put in 3 dots for the cheeks, and then same thing on the other side. So right next to this eye, let's draw this big circle just like the other side. There, and then we're just going to add 3 little dots once again. And then most importantly, it's kind of like SpongeBob almost. We need to draw a tear. So right underneath this eye, I'm going to come right into this space and draw this big drop right here. Because it's a crybaby heart, right? Okay, so now that we have these main elements in for the face, I'm going to just give myself a point, some points here and there to make this easier to draw the heart. So first thing we need to do is come to the center, find your center, and we're going to go up. So find the center, go up, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, nice and high. And then I'm going to use the cheeks as another guide. I'm going to come to the center of my cheeks, and I'll just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. So same thing on the other side. Drag it across and about the same amount of space. So let's say about right here. So having these 3 points, hopefully it will help you to draw your heart. So I'm going to go right here and we're going to curve to this point. Just go up nice and full and bring it down. Because it is such a big heart, just having points makes it a lot easier to draw. So we're going to end and go to the same thing on the other side. So just going to try my best to match right here. I can drag this across so I know I'm approximately the same height. And we're just trying our best to make it almost the same. So we're going to bring it back to here. And bring it in Okay, so then now we can go ahead and come in. But before we do that, I'm going to drag another point down through the center. And I'm just going to say, just kind of imagining how far down I want my heart. And I'm going to say about right here. I'll just give myself another point. And from here, I'm just going to draw a pair of shoes. So using this as my guide, I'm going to go up straight with a line. And then I'm going to curve out to create a shoe and flatten it at the bottom. And then same thing on the other side. These super cute feet. Because this is the version where the heart is sitting down, so the foot is like this. But if you want the standing up, you can just draw some legs and put in some feet. But I think it's just so cute when it's sitting down. And then from right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve in this space. And when you put the feet together, it's a heart. Super cute. Okay, so now that we have that right in the center, now I'm going to go ahead and say about right here, I'll give myself 2 points. Now I know I'm going to come back into this space to finish my heart. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this curve to there. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's always harder on the other side, so we want to make sure we come back to about right there. And connect. There. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful for you to create this big heart. And now that we have that, before I'm done, I'm going to draw a little curve right here above each eye. And then right here, we need to draw a break. So we're going to zigzag a little bit right here. And then we need to draw lots of curves all the way around it to decorate it. So I'm going to start right here in the center and just draw one curve. And then I'm going to quickly go around. And your goal is just to try to make everything about the same size and height. So hopefully I'm going to go ahead and just hurry up. And same thing on this side. And one last one. There. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of a crybaby heart inspired by Pop Mart. I really hope you love this drawing that brought a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.